Install a wireless DSL modem. The use of a wireless DSL modem is becoming more and more popular in homes and business environments. This is because using a wireless modem removes the restrictions that are present when using a cable for the Internet. It is better to use a wireless DSL modem, especially if there are several users who make use of laptops instead of desktops. Follow the simple instructions below to know how you can install a wireless DSL modem. These are the steps in installing a wireless DSL modem. Buy a wireless modem. Do some research to find the best brands of wireless modems that are available. Also, check for the signal range of the modem so that you can access the Internet in different places of the house. For comparison shopping of wireless modems, visit the website newegg.com. Type in wireless DSL modem on the search field and the results will show you various brands of wireless DSL modems. Check parts. Open the package for the modem and check if the parts are complete. Familiarize yourself with the different components for easier installation. Read the manufacturer's manual for instructions on proper installation. Connect components. Get the cable for the DSL and attach it to the wireless modem. Connect the cable for the power supply to the wireless modem too. Avoid placing the wireless DSL modem in a location where there are thick walls since this can weaken the strength of the signal from the router. Install software. Turn on your computer and install the software that came with the wireless modem package. Follow the prompts on the screen to complete installation. After the installation, you can change the settings for the wireless modem. Read the manufacturer's instructions on how you can change the settings. Switch on devices. Switch on all of the devices that you want to use for the wireless modem. This includes laptops, computers, mobile phones, etc. Make sure that your devices have a Wi-Fi card so that you can use them with the wireless modem. Test your devices. Now you can test the devices to see if you can use them. When the wireless modem is turned on, your devices should automatically detect the signal from the wireless modem. Several users can connect to the Internet at once. However, the speed of the Internet may slow down, depending on your Internet connection and the type of wireless DSL modem that you use. These are the steps for installing a wireless DSL modem. Now you can use your gadgets and computers without the use of a cable. If you are having trouble connecting to the Internet, you might want to experiment on putting the wireless DSL modem in different locations in your house to see where it works best. Do not forget to put a password on your wireless connection. Your neighbors may be able to connect to the wireless network if their devices can detect the signal coming from your router if you do not have a password.